Today I'm making a chocolate chip cookie layer dessert. First I'm going to make the chocolate chip cookies. So I have these brown butter chocolate chip cookies I'm going to add to a lined baking sheet and bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to make the chocolate mousse. So I have this dark chocolate truffle mousse. I'm going to add 2 packets of it into a bowl. Next I'm just following the directions on the back of the box, so I'm adding some milk. Mix this up until it's thick and then put it in the fridge for 20 minutes to fully set up. Next I have a 9x9 baking pan. I'm going to add a layer of the brown sugar chocolate chip cookies on the bottom. Then I'm going to add all the chocolate mousse and spread that out. Next I chopped up some butterfinger candies. I'm going to sprinkle that on top. Then I'm going to add another layer of the brown sugar chocolate chip cookies. Next I added 4 ounces of Cool Whip. I'm going to spread that out. Then I'm going to sprinkle some more chopped up butterfinger on top and then cover this up and put this in the fridge for 3 hours before serving. Here's a slice of the chocolate chip layer dessert.